Hello everyone, Hatam for Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Guys, you know, I was always wondering, is the S Pen for Note 9 is going to work with the S Pen for Tapestry? And is it going to work with iPhone Max? I don't know. I don't think so with iPhone Max is going to work. Wait, Face ID. Okay. Let's try, okay? I'm really curious to know if they are going to they are going to work or no. Okay, this is the S Pen for Note 9, okay? It's work. And even work well. Let's press the button. Oh yeah, work exactly. Yeah, double click. Yeah, work exactly like the pen for yeah, Samsung sure would never let me down. I know this. Okay, let's see what's gonna work with iPhone. No, with iPhone sure no. Okay, and for beauty. Okay, I like how it's typed the same color. Let's try that. This is the S Pen for the not for Tab 3, okay? S3. Oh, his work sure appear with his tab sure is work. So the S Pen for Tab 3 work with Note 9, so normal, as you guys see, and it's work with his own sure. And let's try with iPhone Max. Appear that's not work. No. Okay, this was just my experience about this. So guys, you know, the S Pen is work. They work with each other, Note 9 and Tab 3, but this one could work with this, and they work exactly like them own pen, like them own S Pen. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my experience. I want to do this experience about this thing. I'm gonna do now another video about the fast charge for Samsung. Is it gonna work with iPhone Max or no? Is it gonna work with Tapestry or no? Not Tapestry, I don't think so, sure. We'll try him, and we'll try Oculus. Got it. Guys, follow me and subscribe to see my next videos. And don't forget to put thumbs up or thumbs down as you wish. Thanks for watching, and peace and love to everyone with Hatam for Projection.